Hello SMEs, hello small medium enterprises. My name is Martin Tyler. I'm a founder member of Diamond Foundation. We founded Diamond Foundation in 2009 just to do consulting on small medium enterprises. Our area of expertise is marketing and business project management. We've been doing this since 2009. We've been going around trying to help small medium enterprises here in the United States as well as in Zambia. We've done a number of topics, and today I believe we can look at one important area which can help small medium enterprise grow their business, grow their networks, and that is volunteering. What is volunteering? Volunteering is one way of selling your services without charge. You don't charge, you just go and help. I would say that pro bono service is a powerful driver of social change. It's a unique approach to a community engagement. SMEs can share skills, talents, expertise that impacts social change. And that's why this topic is very, very important for you SMEs to listen and understand it. I will give you one example of what we've been doing as small medium enterprise in the United States. As personally myself, I've been volunteering. Every year I do volunteer work. I go to a school where I become a principal for the day. I run around the whole day at the school. I read books to the children. I help the principal. I help other teachers, and I interact with the children. The purpose is to get involved in the community. One, you learn a lot being a volunteer. The other way that we've done as a foundation, we volunteer to go and read books to the children at the hospital. I personally have done that, participation of reading books to the children at the hospital. This is a very big hospital. So why is this good to do volunteer work? One, it creates value for SMEs. When you are there out there trying to volunteer, definitely you introduce yourself, you even introduce the company where you're coming from. And that way, they are knowing you and they are knowing the company where you're coming from. Create value for the community. The community will start understanding that you have the passion for them. See? Because passion is the way we can do business nowadays. You can do whatever you want if you have passion with it, and it builds up a lot of things. And the other important thing is when you volunteer out there, you create, there is what we call business development. You are trying to develop businesses. You are trying to let other people know that other people can do this who are coming from organization, not only teachers who can read books for the kids. The other important thing for volunteer work is business connections. You build business connections as you keep moving up and down, being connected with the different kind of people that you meet. So now I will just tell you specifically 6 factors that have motivated me. 1, developing leadership skills. This is one of the factors that has motivated me. Facilitating the team building. Very important for small medium enterprises. Enhancing appreciation of diversity. Remember, when you go out there, you meet different kind of people. That's very important for SMEs. Fostering loyalty and sense of community. At the times, you see nowadays, like we have a problem with the loyalty in terms of your company, in terms of your product, because the millennials are not loyal to anyone. But if you use volunteer work, you might build loyalty when it comes to your organization, when it comes to your community. They will think you are part of them. But remember, you have to work around this, because nowadays millennials are no longer getting loyal to any organization. They are always moving, trying to change, to do new things. This also, what I've learned is you build visibility and goodwill. That's also very important for you and for organization. Promoting economic development in the community. That's also very, very, very good for SMEs. You are participating in the community. But let me take you out of the small medium enterprise. Then I bring in another basis which should also be understood. This is universities, colleges, and schools. Let us have a sense of community. We build ourselves using this community. It's a volunteer work that when you finish your college, you go and volunteer. When you are on holiday, try to volunteer based on your skills that you have. Those who are in colleges, those who are in schools. I've seen it here in the United States where kids in high school, when they're closed, they go and start working in retail shops. They are selling this at the retail store because that is building their profession. They're trying to know what they can, because when they graduate, they will have a basis of saying, we have experience, we did this, we did that. So this volunteer work shouldn't be taken lightly. It's very, very important, and use small medium enterprises is one way of growing your business. So ladies and gentlemen, if you really want to know more about this, please give us a call on our number that is running on the screen, our website, our email. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.